Hello and welcome back to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. Thanks for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell as well so you always get notification when new videos are coming up. And we are back in position number 3. The scale goes like this. So the lick goes. It's a double pull off. We're pulling off with our pinky from E13 to E12 and then to E10. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing but a slight configuration on the B string with pull off. We pull off from 13 to 11 to 10. So we pull off 13, 11 to the 10. So then we bend G12, release and pull off. Okay, bend, release and pull off. No picking. We pull off to G10, then we finish on D12. Vibrato or whammy bar. Okay. And then the second part, we repeat that. We repeat those pull-offs. And then we go immediately into that. Same as in lick 1. We'll do that 4 times.